Alright, YouTube, we back with another video. Today, like I told y'all, we're gonna be getting this alarm installed in the truck today. I'm gonna call up my installer guy, Jesaudio. He's up here installing this my Viper alarm. And anybody out there in the DFW, this is car right here. You can hear them. He does. You want to tell him what you do?
Yes, just if you want to give me a call, I just got you. And I do remote start, Scott audio, and window tint and other stuff. Just hit the call right now. It's 214-962-9957. It's I can go to you, I can drive to you. No problem. You got 1 year warranty and everything you do.
Y'all heard of you guys. Like I said, he guaranteed his work, man. He do real good work. So y'all give him a shot. And I will put his link below in the description as well. But today, you guys, we're gonna be getting this here alarm installed in the truck. As y'all can see, this is the model we went with, the 5706V. I've been hearing a lot of good things about this here model. So y'all know this the one we had to go with. Come with 2 fobs. Up to 1 mile radius for the remote start. Alright, you guys, wrapping everything up. As y'all can see, this my alarm. This all the things that came with it. This my 2 fobs. This my old fob. They still work, by the way, but we just gonna put these up. And yeah, there you go. So we gonna give y'all a little quick remote start real fast. Alright, as y'all can see, everything working fine. Back on my dash. We don't have no lights on my dash. And if I press my pedal, it will deactivate the automatic start. And my keypad just gave me an alert that my truck cut off. We've been having a bunch of break-ins on the block, and actually my neighbor got shot. You know, coming out and checking on his vehicle. Somebody was breaking in his vehicle, and he came out and actually got shot behind his own vehicle, man. So, you know, like I said, that's my main reason for putting the alarm in the truck. You know, we need it. But other than that, you guys, I can use the automatic start. You know, cold days, hot days, things of that nature. But yeah, man, we got everything wrapped up. Y'all know what to do. Jump down in the comments, press that like button, leave me a comment. It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Style. Baby,